Ysgol Ty Ffynnon is an English medium county primary school catering for children aged 3 to 11. My name is Nia Goldsmith and I am the head teacher here since September 2015. The outdoors is a great opportunity for the children to explore and develop their skills. The shade for the learners was minimal and therefore we invested in canopies to extend the classroom into the outdoors. The price was competitive with other companies, but as A&S Landscapes have installed locally, I was able to see and hear about their work firsthand. I chose A&S Landscapes mainly for the design, the service offered, the advice, ease of communication, and that they were willing to provide and install the canopies during term time. We were open-minded about the design of the canopies. The person who came out provided sound advice regarding the type of canopy, and staff on site were outstanding. They were extremely professional and polite throughout. They were very neat and tidy with their work and a pleasure to have on school premises. The work was completed to a very high standard and I would not hesitate to recommend them. As a result of the canopies being installed, the children and staff have been able to use the outdoors in all weathers, whether in the rain or shade on hot sunny days. I wouldn't hesitate to use A&S Landscapes again due to the seamless process throughout and the professionalism of all staff I dealt with, whether in the office or on site. I have already recommended A&S Landscapes to other schools and I certainly will continue to do so in the future.